Good morning. In the previous lecture, we started types of matrices. We studied up to square matrix. We talked of row matrix, column matrix, null matrix or zero matrix, and finally square matrix. The next type is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix which has all non-diagonal elements as zero elements. The elements on the principal diagonal are non-zero elements. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix such that all its non-diagonal elements are 0 and the elements on principal diagonal of the matrix are non-zero. For example, matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. One example. Second example, matrix A, it is a square matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix B, it is also a square matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix C, it is also square matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. As you see here, this diagonal is known as principal diagonal. The principal diagonal elements are non-zero. Principal diagonal elements are non-zero. Principal diagonal elements are non-zero. The non-diagonal elements, these and these, are all 0. So, diagonal matrix is a square matrix such that its diagonal elements are non-zero and non-diagonal elements are 0. This is the fifth category. Let us go to sixth one. Sixth one is unit matrix or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix is a square matrix unit matrix or identity matrix is a square matrix such that all diagonal elements are unity and non-diagonal elements are 0. Unit matrix or identity matrix is a square matrix such that its diagonal elements are unity and non-diagonal elements are 0. Examples are shown here. Matrix A, diagonal elements are unity, non-diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal elements are unity, non-diagonal elements are 0. So, the matrix of the type such as matrix A, matrix B are known as unit matrix or identity matrix. Then let us go to the seventh one is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is a square matrix such that Aij is equal to Aj. Square matrix, symmetric matrix is a square matrix such that Aij is equal to Aji and A will be equal to A prime or At. Symmetric matrix is a square matrix such that Aij is equal to Aj and matrix A is equal to transpose of A, which is represented either by A prime or A dash or At. For example, matrix A is equal to Examples of symmetric matrix. First row, second row, third row. And what we find here, Aij is equal to Aj. If I is 1, J is 2, if we replace this and make I2, J1, H, G, F, there won't be any change in the diagonal elements. If we take transpose of this, all the columns will be replaced by rows, or rows will be replaced by columns, and we will find that Aij is equal to Aji, or A is equal to A prime or At. This is the example of the symmetric matrix. Here also Aij is equal to Aji, and matrix A is equal to A prime or At. That is, if we interchange the rows or columns, you will get the same matrix. For example, A prime or At is equal to, this is the row. Let me write this row as column A, H, G. Second row, let me write it as second column H, B, F. Third row, let me write this as third column compare these two, AHG, HBF, GFC, same. That is, A is equal to A prime or A is equal to At, and Aij is equal to Aj is valid for this matrix, and therefore this is example of symmetric matrix. The same is true about this matrix. This matrix is also example of symmetric matrix. After having talked about symmetric matrix, let us go to the next category, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. So let us see what is this skew symmetric matrix. Meaning of skew symmetric matrix is, it is a square matrix such that for every element of this matrix Aij is equal to minus Abi, and A prime or At is equal to minus A. What we find here, the diagonal elements are 0, HGF, the elements below the diagonal elements, minus Z minus H minus Z minus F, the elements above the diagonal are same but opposite in sign. The same is true here. Diagonal elements are 0, elements below diagonal element and elements above diagonal element are same with opposite sign. So if we have such matrix or such matrix, such matrices for which this condition is true, Aij is equal to minus Aji, A prime is equal to minus A, that square matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix. Aij, what is this? A21, what is this? A12 with minus sign. A31, A13 with minus sign. Okay, and therefore such matrices are known as skew symmetric matrices. This is about the 8th category, and next one is 9. Upper triangular matrix, category 10. Let us first talk about upper triangular matrix. It is a square matrix which has elements above the principal diagonal, non-zero elements above the principal diagonal, and 0 elements below the principal diagonal. Upper triangular matrix is a square matrix such that the elements below principal diagonal are 0. That matrix is known as upper triangular matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to this is the principal diagonal, Elements below principal diagonal are 0. The elements on principal diagonal and above the principal diagonal are non-zero. Such a square matrix is known as upper triangular matrix. What about lower triangular matrix? Reverse of this is true for lower triangular matrix. That is what? Zero, 0, 0, 2, 5, 'This is the principal diagonal. Elements above principal diagonal are 0. Elements below principal diagonal and on the principal diagonal are non-zero. Such a square matrix is known as lower triangular matrix. In case of upper triangular matrix, the elements below the diagonal are 0 elements and all remaining elements are non-zero. In case of lower triangular matrix, it is a square matrix such that elements above the diagonal are 0 elements and all the remaining elements are non-zero elements. So, such a matrix is known as lower triangular matrix and such a matrix is known as upper triangular matrix. After this, let us move to the next one. Transpose of a matrix. Let us consider matrix A. This matrix may be a square matrix or a rectangular matrix. If this is the given matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns, interchange the rows and columns. So, let me write this row, first row as first column, second row as second column, third row as third column. The matrix so obtained is represented by A dash or A prime or AT, meaning that this matrix is transpose of this matrix. A matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix is known as transpose of that matrix. A matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of this matrix. This matrix is known as transpose matrix of matrix A. This is true for a square matrix. This is also true for a rectangular matrix. This is about the transpose of a matrix. Next category is singular matrix. This is the given matrix. It is 2 by 2 matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. Determinant of this matrix, determinant of matrix A is found, which is equal to 0. So, if determinant of a matrix is 0, that matrix is known as singular matrix. If determinant of a matrix is 0, that matrix is known as singular matrix. It is important because this property will be useful in many applications of matrices. So remember the definition for singular matrix. Remember the definition for singular matrix. Whenever determinant of a matrix is 0, that matrix is known as singular matrix. Let us go for one more matrix. After that we shall stop, and remaining matrices, remaining types of matrices will be dealt in the next lecture. Equal matrices. Now, how to define equal matrices? Two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal, provided that these two conditions must be obeyed by the two matrices. What should be the first condition? two matrices will be said equal matrices if and only if these two conditions are obeyed by the matrices. What is first condition? Order of the matrices should be same. Matrix A, matrix B, 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. First condition is satisfied. Second condition, each corresponding element of the matrices should be same. A11, 2, B11, 2. A12, 1, B12, 1. A21, 4, B21, 4. A22, 3, B22, 3. It means that all the corresponding elements of these two matrices are same, and therefore we can say that matrix A is equal to matrix B, or matrices A and B are equal matrices. Few more types are left. Let us talk these types in the next lecture. Thank you.